Public procurement might seem like a banal day-to-day activity to many, but in actual, it is the most important function of any institution. Do you know, public procurement accounts for 20 to 25% of Pakistan's gross domestic product? So a major chunk of taxpayers' money is spent on public procurement. Hence, any kind of improvement in the present manual public procurement system will result in huge savings, thus improving the lives of millions of people because 1 rupee saved is 1 rupee earned. Similarly, massive amount of paper is wasted in manual processing of procurement, which automatically takes a toll on environment. Paper-based record keeping also poses a serious challenge to data integrity, safety and security, and accountability. Unfortunately, due to various reasons, government departments end up purchasing goods, works and services on at least 30% higher than the market prices, which puts a big question mark on the effectiveness of the existing procurement system, as well as value for taxpayers' money. This explains why, although Pakistan is one of the highly ranked countries when it comes to charity, but falls in the bottom layer when it comes to tax collection. Without improving the public procurement system, the agenda for achieving good governance would remain a dream. Is there a way forward? Yes. With the technical support of World Bank, Punjab Agriculture Department has launched an IT-based procurement management information system, which is an effective step towards solving the rampant problems in procurement.
For us, it was very important that we should have a system which can help the implementing departments to monitor their procurement on daily basis. So the system was conceived by the Agriculture Department and it was developed by them, which is working very efficiently now.
Let's walk you through the major features of Procurement Management Information System. Procurement Management Information System is designed to ensure seamless compliance of Punjab Procurement Rules 2014. Generates annual procurement plans and bidding documents for goods, works and services. Supports all procurement methods including framework contracts. Provides step-by-step guide for each procurement process.
सिस्टम के अंदर बड़ी अच्छी खूबी है कि ये हमें गाइड करता है हर पॉइंट के ऊपर, एक जहाँ पे हमें मसला आ रहा है तो ये पॉपअप के जरिए हमें उसकी सजेशन भी देता है.
Digital catalog of specifications of goods to help achieve Sustainable Development Goal number 12. System generated error-free bid evaluation reports and procurement contracts. Online contract management to efficiently implement the contracts. System-based procurement management plan to ensure timely completion of procurement. Auto-generation of inspections, test and delivery reports in order to enhance transparency and efficiency of the procurement process. Online inventory management system. Electronic record keeping to provide a complete audit trail of all procurement transactions.
जैसे रॉन्ग एंट्री आती है तो वो उसको जो ना आगे चलता ही नहीं है, वो पॉइंट आउट कर देता है कि आप गलत कर रहे हैं. तो इस हवाले से ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. और जो ऑडिट पैराज इन गलतियों की वजह से नंबर ऑफ ऑडिट पैरा बनते थे और वो मेरा ख्याल है कि आइंदा नहीं बनेंगे.
Automatic bill generation for after auto adjusting late delivery charges. Capable of electronic bill submission to accounts office, which can effectively reduce the cost of procurement by 5%. Procurement Management Information System helps to complete a 120 man-hour task in less than 1 man-hour, thus drastically reduces the transaction cost.
With this mechanism, with this tool, we are expecting that all the procurements would be completed in record time with full efficiency.
Tutorials, help text and a help desk for ease of learning and usage. These features considerably reduce capacity building requirements of human resource. For the first time in Pakistan, Procurement Management Information System has introduced number of unique monitoring and reporting features which are particularly suitable for large organizations with decentralized procurement. For example, live monitoring of procurement activities of field offices through dashboard, price comparison of similar items procured by different offices across Punjab. Procurement Management Information System has virtually placed tracker in each rupee of our budget.
PMIS के आने से मेरी ज़िंदगी आसान हो गई है. और जो काम मुझे 850 लोगों से रिपोर्ट लेके करना पड़ता था, अब मेरे लिए ये आसान हो गया है। अब मैं बैठे बैठे अपने लैपटॉप के ऊपर ही ये देख सकता हूँ कि पूरे पंजाब में जितने भी हमारे DDOs हैं वो क्या खर्च कर रहे हैं, कहाँ कहाँ खर्च कर रहे हैं और किस किस रेट्स के ऊपर चीज़ें खरीद रहे हैं।
Separate monitoring and real-time report generation for project procurement, including procurement of donor-funded project.
In my opinion, this is a great innovation, and this is something that the country really needs. I'm very glad that this thing has happened.
Control on rush expenditure near the close of financial year. Commitments accounting and monthly financial requirements forecast reports.
PMIS का मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट ये हुआ है कि मेरे पास जो मेरे सब ऑफिस का डेटा है प्रोक्योरमेंट का वो मेरे पास मौजूद है। अब मैं सिंगल क्लिक पे अपना सारा डेटा, मुझसे कोई भी रिपोर्ट मांगी जाती है तो मैं वो डेटा फौरन कंपाइल करके उनको ऐसे दे देती हूँ।
Procurement Management Information System can be conveniently accessed through laptop, tablet or the Android handset. Android and iOS apps of Procurement Management Information System can be downloaded from Google Play Store. Procurement Management Information System records data regarding contractors, suppliers, price, brand, model, country of origin, etc. and thus contains a huge database to help the government in making evidence-based policy for improving governance of procurement. Procurement Management Information System fully supports ease of doing business and is compliant with globally recognized open contracting and data standards. Every deal of Agriculture Department is fair, transparent and open to scrutiny even by general public.
हमारी जो स्पेंडिंग है इसके अंदर जो अल्टीमेट जो स्टेक होल्डर है वो पब्लिक है, एक लेमैन है जिसके टैक्स पेयर की मनी को हम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं। तो ये हमारी फिड्यूशियरी रिक्वायरमेंट है कि हम उनको बताएं कि हाउ वी आर स्पेंडिंग देयर मनी।
Keeping the benefits of Procurement Management Information System in view, Secretary Agriculture Mr. Fasif Khurshid has made the use of Procurement Management Information System mandatory in Punjab Agriculture Department from 1st July 2019. Currently, 677 field offices of Agriculture Department are using Procurement Management Information System across Punjab, and the entire development and non-development budget is being spent through this system. In the last phase, Punjab Agriculture Department will be working for upscaling Procurement Management Information System into an end-to-end e-procurement system only within 4 months. Let's work together. Let's be pioneer in Pakistan. Let's make Punjab prosperous and proud through redefining the possibilities of procurement and contract management.